to be playing Animal Company again because my other video popped up and I got 100 in a day. And I'm going to be playing with a streamer here that's live right now.
Up on the bottom.
So if you hear echoes in the background, that's because I'm watching the video. Bye bye.
Where's Mr. Seb? Oh, there he is. You're Mr. Seb. Guess what?
From Mr. Seb, my friend is begging for me to call
What
him.
happened to that? Okay.
Hey, call him.
The thing is, he doesn't even call me when I tell him to. I cannot talk. I keep stuttering.
Oh, what the heck? 1v1.
Okay.
Oh, heck no.
Got you.
Do you want me to finish you right now? Because I will.
No. Wait, what is
I will
this?
finish you.
Oh, it's a little thing.
Damn.
I'm going to have.
And I'm not even Red Watch.
I'm going to have a.
No, you are not. You are not going
Yes,
to
I
heaven.
am. I'm going
You
to
are going order. I'm Iron Man.
I'm going to heaven. Yay! So, I'm not doing the exact same video as this one right here because, I mean, I'm with streamer, so I'm not doing.
Banana. Can someone give me 2 pieces of goop? Get your butt over here!
Are you trying to get exterminated?
Yo,
from
can
all
you give me
forms
2
of
pieces of
existence?
goop? My bad.
Yeah,
Are you trying
man.
to get exterminated from all forms of existence?
I'm sorry.
If you watch my skits, I'll give you them.
Okay.
I need
Here's
people.
what?
I'll give you a group.
Oh, I've already watched like most of your shorts.
My most recent ones?
Hmm?
What was my most recent short then?
I said I've watched some.
Yeah, I'll watch my
Go.
most recent ones. I'll give you some group back already. I need
I
feedback.
can't hear you. Hold up.
If you guys
Okay, what
want
were you
to
saying
ever
If you
join,
watch the videos I uploaded today, I'll give you group.
I might do a video. Hey, if you guys want to do,
Trending wire.
if you guys want to join me in the video,
All right, if you want to, I'll tell you your
um,
most viewed short.
next time I'm
You
going
do.
to
It's
do
the.
I know,
I,
it's
yeah,
you.
hold up. I need to remember.
probably on
Hold up.
like,
Oh, I thought you said your most viewed.
I'll probably do
I
it
said
tomorrow.
watch
My VR died.
Oh,
my VR died. My VR died. Oh.
yeah. So I'm going to be doing the next video tomorrow or on Wednesday because on Thursday I can't do
Oh.
a video because that's when my school starts and I don't want school. And the code is going to be
Yeah, imagine having to go to school. Totally me,
BRYBR9.
unfortunately.
This is going to be my code if you guys want to join my video
Guess what,
tomorrow
folks?
or on Wednesday.
I'm Iron Man.
Oh, excuse
And no
me.
one. Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Is this good?
Yo, that's actually kind of good. That's actually kind of goated. Yo,
Kinda.
yo,
Yo,
stream.
get your gloves out of here.
Okay, that's actually good. But stream. Make my Iron Man 10 out of 10.
0! I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm hungry. Hey, I'm a streamer. Hey, you know what you should do?
Make my Iron Man suit. Stream.
Instead of
Make my
making
Iron Man
that,
suit.
you should
Make my
have
Iron
just
Man
bought this.
suit.
You should have just bought
Huh?
this.
Rate my
I
Iron
can't
Man
buy
suit.
that. Not what I.
No, it's hard for like the people.
Oh, never mind. Never mind then. I missed that. I'm going to take a swim. I'm drowning, Kel.
Guys, we need to go. There's people. There's people here that are dangerous. Come on.
What for me? Okay, let me get my grappler. Wait, can I show you my rare stuff?
More fans.
What? Thanks for malfunctioning.
listen to some music.
Oh. Jarvis.
I'm ready.
No, it's just crazy. He just said my VR died.
24, 25.
Hey, people keep saying this is an admin room. Wait, is this an admin room?
Can someone
Are
give me
you an
two?
admin room?
Can someone give me 2 goop?
Yeah.
Can someone
Is
give me
this
2
an
goop?
admin
Absolutely
room?
not.
Because a lot
Are
of
you
people
an
keep
admin room?
saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just need 2 goop.
Some person
That's
kept
it,
saying, some person tried scamming me and said, "Give me that right now, and I'll give you the most rarest thing." And then they just pulled out the office key card and said, "This is the most rarest thing. You can't get it anymore."
Bro, you can
Still
still
get
get
it.
it.
You
You
can
can
still
still get it. They're so dumb. Well, did you ask what grade they're in?
I could tell they're like, or
Or did you ask like, or did you at least ask like how old they were, bro? Because they kind of sound pretty young. So, by any chance do you have 2 goop? By any chance do you have 2 goop?
okay, what are you possibly making?
Oh, Iron Man suit, duh. Jarvis, activate suits.
Hey, go.
Okay. Yeah, I'll look it out. I'll look it out. Okay. So I'm gonna add my toll so I can like actually fight. So I'm gonna add
Finley, enough.
I'm gonna add some guns. The last guy. Or can someone give me a
Finley,
hard
get
gun?
out of it.
Or can someone give me a hard gun at least?
I can afford the banana chips. Okay, now I'm just getting annoyed because I could hear my echo in the background on my like iPad.
Let's go. Jarvis, activate suit. Jarvis,
And I need the thing on the back.
hello, Buckaroo.
Yo, dude.
Who?
Should I use
Me?
the umbrella? Should I use the umbrella or the Clover umbrella?
Clover umbrella.
That.
Okay, what happened to the other guy?
I'm coming. Jarvis,
Oh, I was wondering where you were.
It's not even working. Come on.
What is this?
I'm Iron Man. Where do you make
What
money,
is
Mr.
that?
Deb?
What?
Deb,
Damn. Crap.
No, but what I was trying to say in the chat was like, you're the first streamer that ever fully talked it to me because all of the other streamers like always ignored and talked to the other person.
Dang, hold on. I gotta do my 10 push-ups again.
bro, like the old,
Why
All
are you doing
these, like-
push-ups anyways?
like you know the streams like be like, okay, we're gonna add the rubber band to the watermelon. In 3, 2, wait, hold
Ah, they're
on.
getting harder every
Make
time.
sure to make sure
Every
to
time I swear,
like and subscribe. It
I
says
gotta.
a
Oh my god,
Let's
yes,
go.
I hate
okay,
that.
in 3, 2, hold up. Like and subscribe.
Oh
again.
my god.
Yo,
I
yo, why,
know.
why, are
You
we,
get
why,
so
are, how
much-
do we get on this topic? How do we get on this topic of those garbage videos? And like
I
little
know.
kids actually fall for it, bro.
No guys, I
I
heard
know,
this.
Like how are those
topic.
rocking? How are those
It's a
actually
hot
rocking
topic,
themselves? The
man.
views? or like a couple.
Hey, who wants to
thousand
go
viewers
mining
in
with
It's
a
for
live
the
stream?
money.
No,
No,
it's
it's
for
for
the
the money. They do it for the money. They do it for the money.
Yeah.
No,
It's
no.
like-
Really,
These
I
are
wanna
how
get- I wanna
streamers
get
are like.
monetized
It's
soon. I
fully,
wanna get
it's
a
fully
big money on YouTube.
re-recorded, bro. It's fully recorded.
Yeah, it's just on a loop. I wanna really like eventually be able
Okay,
to become monetized.
guys,
so I
Also,
can
no,
who
get
wants
this
to
is
money.
try
how
out my
they're like-
Iron Man suit?
No,
Do y'all
guys,
think,
try out
do y'all
my
think, do y'all think I should become monetized?
you guys, all
Bro,
the
definitely, bro. You're
Do y'all even know what
Really?
monetized means?
yes. It means you get money from YouTube.
Do y'all
Guys.
think I should become monetized?
Have you ever heard those one people that like?
'Cause I want to become
stream?
monetized. I would just solely because I wanted to help my mom out.
Hey guys, have you ever
Money-
heard
money
that one
sucks.
stream where it goes like and
I'm
subscribe?
not even
and then-
monetized yet, but I'm still getting a lot of money from like the task on YouTube.
Dude, if I
Studio.
can manage
If
to
you
get,
guys are
because I've
enjoying
reached the
this,
first two
make
goals,
sure
like
you
I've
hit
reached
the like
500
and
subscribers and then
subscribe.
3 videos in the
Please.
past 90 days. If I can manage to, because I need to get like I need to get 3,000 like verified viewer
Hey guys, who wants to go mining with
view
me?
hours. I have to get 3,000 verified view hours. So I have to have people watch 3,000 hours worth of my YouTube channel. And then I can become monetized for like super chats, that stuff.
Jarvis, unactivate suit. Get out!
Oh wait, hold on, I'm forgetting something crucial.
I'll do this myself. Damn.
Excuse me.
Damn.
I was forgetting something crucial. Thank you, bro. Where should I
Who
put
wants to
it?
try out my Iron Man suit? Who wants to try out my Iron Man suit?
Oh, I can put it on the remote state.
Who wants to try out my Iron Man suit? Do you want to try out my Iron Man suit?
For what?
I don't know. You just want to try it out?
I'm gonna go mining right now, so probably not right now.
Everyone in the stream right now, the code is Mr. Seb. The code is Mr. Seb. No spaces.
Bruh.
Yes. Does anybody want to go mining with me?
Yeah, I'll go mine. Hold up.
Okay. Just meet me there.
Let me just...
Oh wait, mining's over here. Okay, I totally forgot.
Yeah, hold up. I'm coming.
Hold up,
Yeah, I
I'm
wouldn't
using my
recommend to
pickaxe.
bring that. I wouldn't recommend to bring that because I kind of want to go to the bottom and find the worm skeleton. Because I want to find the worm skeleton.
You said you...
Bro, recommend to bring
No, I recommend do not bring it.
Okay, I'm coming. Hold up, let me get a grab.
Okay. You don't have to bring a grapple, don't.
So how are we supposed to get...
You'll see. Are you coming?
I'm coming right now.
Oh, that goes zunga, 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 zunga.
Okay.
Boom, bing, bing, bang, bang, boom, 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 bing, boom.
Hold up.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. No, let's go to
like this mine's over there.
Nah, this one's way better.
No, it's not. Because you have to go to like a freaking boss, though. That's like this one's better.
I found a pipe.
I'm gonna that part.
Let's go to
Okay, I'm coming. Sorry, it's like hard to get out because I have a pickaxe and it just makes me mine. It just makes me mine.
Because
I
this
have
one
to
you
get
can
more-
get research points in.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Because
trying to
this
get
one
the
you
pink
can
research
get
points.
research points.
poor little. Ah. No! No!
That one. I got a reset point.
Me too.
But
But the big money is
here.
Oh, now here's the job.
I need 5 research points.
He's climbing! Kill him.
Oh, revive me! Do it! Revive me!
Okay, hold up. There. Okay.
Okay, revive me! I should put the mod I like.
There.
Back, baby. Oh shoot! There's someone here. How did I miss that?
I can hear
yeah, I got a
him.
crate.
Okay, open it then.
Open the crate. It's like back here. Patrick, I'm over you.
I feel bad for the streamer. He's just all alone.
That one. Everyone watching the stream, the code is Mr.
Oh, I got a crate. Where are you at? Oh, I got a gun. Okay, I got a gun.
And we all generate 4 research points. And I have enough to get 1 research point, and that's enough to get me goo.
There's none over there. Oh. Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah. No.
I was just sitting here. I was just looking around to see if there's like any else.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Oh.
I'm looking for some more research points. I need one. I need one more.
Oh, okay.
Ow.
Sorry. I need a couple.
Or some research points out of that cave. Like the one we're just in.
Dang it, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna drop my... Bro, streamer, I'm so sorry, but we left you.
I can unlock goop.
You can
Bro,
unlock...
can me unlock goop.
Oh, there's a mimic.
Go home. You wanna go? You wanna go home?
Nah, I'm still getting some.
Yo, I can unlock goop, Seth.
Okay. I'm back home. I teleported.
Okay, I'm unlocking goop, bro.
Where are all of you guys?
I'm at lobby. I was just unlocking goop.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm already at lobby. I don't see anybody. Oh, there you are.
Look, green. Look what I just bought.
Okay. Let's go get more research coins because I still need some.
No,
and
because the game generates 4 research points a day. So like we can't get any more, but you can go get some.
Okay. I mean, you want to come with me?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'll come. I'm gonna get some coins.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do the first one that pops up. Streamer, I just keep hearing my voice mimic. Oh! Wait for me!
You can get research points. I'm gonna get some coins.
Hello.
Hold up, I'm just checking if it actually works. Okay, I got your coins.
No, I was gonna get that one! Okay, I'm gonna get the one at the top that I was about to hit, and then...
Look at this.
Bro, what happened to the one up here? I'm trying to get some.
Everyone in this live stream, everyone in the live stream, the code is Mr.
Bro, you're stealing all the research coins.
Take the purple. I need to get the yellow.
I got one. Box coming. I think I hear a mimic.
A mimic. I'm out of ammo.
Oh, actually, I meant
Oh,
spider.
okay. Open it. Open it.
Bro, what the heck? No, that was my only pickaxe.
Here,
That
I
was
can
my
give you
only
a pickaxe.
pickaxe.
Oh my god. That was insane, dude.
Why did you hit me?
We met mining and then he got
I'm not a he, I'm a she.
And then I hit it with my pickaxe.
Buddy, I'm not a he, I'm
Yo,
a she.
look at this.
I'm a
This is
she,
the
not a
old one.
he.
And this is the new one. Yeah, hold
Okay,
on.
I'm getting this one. Man.
Oh, I won't.
You can fly it around.
I need more of that stuff on the tournament.
Come here, I'm coming with you.
Yeah, no, sorry.
Come on, get on.
Avery,
Get on.
Avery, I need you to say I need an emergency pickup now.
What did you say? Woohoo!
Get off the helicopter, get off the other one, get off the helicopter. Okay.
Okay.
I need you to say
No,
I
he
need
told
an
me, he
emergency
told me.
pickup.
You said what?
Stop going in the safe zone, go back outside. Get back to... I want you to say I need an emergency pickup now.
I need the emergency ranning.
Say it.
What?
Emergency ranning. Emergency.
Say it, bitch.
Emergency landing!
Wait, what is
Emergency!
this?
Emergency landing!
Say emergency pick.
I think got our helicopter.
Emergency pickup.
Emergency pickup.
Emergency pickup.
Emergency
What the
pickup.
That's cool.
Let me get a
He's
little.
trying to grapple
try to
to
get it.
No. Hey, get on.
Okay. Hold up.
You two?
Huh?
Get on two. Other side. Other side. Other side.
Damn.
It's too high.
No, what is it?
Yes, it is.
Get it off. Get it off. And. Oh, I got it. I got him. Hold up. Hold
Okay,
up,
go
hold
on.
up.
Not yet.
Get.
Stopping mine.
Get on.
Mr. Seb, I'm back. I'm back.
Cool.
Who is he?
Oh, what's up? What's
you're
up,
not shooting.
boy?
Let's go.
Yay, hey, boy.
Emergency land. Can I use the? Can I use the other?
You stop
Okay,
hitting me.
I need you.
I'm not
I
trying
need you to
to.
land this. I need you to land this plane right now, or you get shot.
Are you sprinting?
Yeah. We're in the middle of war right now.
Okay, I'm getting
trying
off.
to get extreme.
I'm gonna go mining.
Okay,
Hey guys, I'm
come
gonna go
on,
mining.
Get on, get on, get on, get on.
Bro, I'm not even lying when you were saying, Avery, say emergency. Pick up, bro. It was like all blurry. Like I couldn't even hear anything.
Deliver, 30 minute helicopter.
Oh shoot. How do I go down?
Guys, I'm coming back.
Okay, come down. Bobby, hour. I'm not. Go see, come down.
If you guys are enjoying it, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe.
I didn't think I had anywhere.
Hey guys, can you come to lobby real quick?
Why?
Don't come to lobby, I'm coming. the banana should always stay in a fruit cup.
Today.
Hey guys,
Oh,
what's
no.
up? I'm back.
Move!
The banana should
Why,
always
bro?
stay. Wait,
Yo,
buddy,
you're
let
a
me get on.
banana.
I'm a banana.
You could get on mine.
Yeah, let me get on yours.
Okay, it's on the back.
Yeah, I know. He's trying to
Bro,
shoot
stop
you.
griefing.
Go, go, go.
The fact that this is like not, this is the original food. I guess like things of
I'm a banana. Wait, guys, we should play. Yo, you know what I'm thinking?
oh,
What? This isn't my helicopter. It's Mr. Seb's.
No. Guys, we should play hide and seek. We should play hide and seek.
I didn't see.
Yeah, 2 people, 3 people hiders, and
Ah!
1 seeker.
I think I lost a part of my helicopter.
Ah, I fell!
Wait, you did lose a part of your helicopter.
I lost a really crucial part, you know.
Everyone, the code
I kinda.
everyone, the code is.
Oh, and I lost the top, you know.
Everyone, the code is Mr.
Bro,
Seb.
why'd you just took it off?
Bro, and I lost that.
Banana, why are you not on?
Because I got off and I want to play hide and seek. Hey, who wants to play hide and seek?
No one.
Bro, you want me to read your chat? You want me to read your chat?
Huh?
Guys, on top of
You want me to read your? You want me to read your chat? You want me to read your chat?
I can see my chat, but
Okay, never mind.
Okay, I'm gonna read some of the chat. I'm gonna read some of the chat.
Okay, official Wendy.
Official Wendy. Congrats, you just been shot. I guess.
I'm sad. I'm not gonna.
No one messes with my.
I don't grieve like other people. I don't grieve. That's cool. Oh my god. I was trying to build a UFO, but this guy was griefing me. And he messed up my thing. I was doing really good too. Wait, don't mess with that. Don't mess with that banana. Ask Mr. Seb if you could use it. He's probably gonna say I don't know. He might say yes.
I mean,
Okay.
he does say yeah a lot.
Hold up, stuck. Let me do it on this side. Okay, I want to build a helicopter too.
Okay, build one.
Mr. Seb, can banana use your helicopter?
No, I'm not. I'm just looking at
Oh.
this. What's this?
Ooh, banana, can you give me some goop? I need a
Hold up.
I'm
Hold
gonna
up.
try to build a what's
are you
it
doing?
called? A helicopter like you. Just need a bunch of.
I need this something. Yeah. Oh yeah, you have.
Dang, look at that. Okay. Now I just need weapons.
No.
Oh, I got the wrong thing. What's in here?
Hey, boy, what family? Is that the ender pearl from Minecraft?
No! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! I'm gonna use this helicopter.
Hey guys, I think that's it for the.
Might be else.
Hey, somebody kill
Last
me.
fight.
Ah!
Brayden, go back to your bed.
Somebody kill me.
I know, I saw that one. Ow!
How about the opponent is you then?
Yeah.
Yo, bro, can you add me back? Can you add me back?
Absolutely not.
Okay, well, guys, you can't see me. Okay, well, anyways, bye, guys. I'm going to end the video.